So hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to know the trend is going to change. At first you have to observe the present trend, how it moving. Here you can see market is moving here to here and here to here and here to and here and here to here, right? In this trend market is making lower high to lower low, right? This is the lower high, this is the lower low, this is the lower high, this is the lower low, this is the lower high, and this is the lower low, right? Market is breaking the previous level easily. Here you can see market is broke this lower low level very easily, and here too market is breaking this level too very easily, and here too market breaking the previous level very easily. In that kind of situation you can trade on SNR strategy, right? In that kind of situation I already told you, you have to draw the entry point, right? Like this. If you join two entry point you will get the third entry point. So today's topic is about how to know the market is going to change its trend. So here, as I told you, market is making lower high to lower low, right? Market is moving like this, here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here, right? Here you can see markets. Wait a minute. Here you can see the market movement is like this, right? Market is reversing after touching this level, right? So here you can see, so I'll already told you market is making the lower high to lower low, but here you can see after, wait a minute, here you can see after this lower low market make this lower high, but after this lower high market unable to make any lower low, right? Market is unable to break this level. Market reversed middle of this trend, middle of this small trend, right? So this is the confirmation that the market is want to change its direction to lower to upward direction, right? Here you can see we are seeing the lower low but and lower high, but there is no new lower low, right? Market reversed middle of this, market is reversed. Okay, wait a minute. Market is, wait a minute. So market is reversed from, market is reversed from here, right? So this is how you can observe the market movement, and this is how you come to know that market is going to change its trend. So let me show you another example. Okay, I'm searching for good. Okay, wait a minute. Here also, from here to here you also can see market is making higher high to higher low, right? From here to here you can see market is making higher high to higher low, right? You can see market is making here higher high to higher low. This is the higher low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, this is the higher high. So this is how market is moving. So here you can see this is the higher low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, this is the higher high, but after this higher high we didn't see any new higher high. We are seeing that the market is reversed from here, right? without making a new higher high, market is reversed from this line. So this is how you come to know that market is going to change its trend. This is a uptrend. Now market is changed this uptrend from here to the downward direction. So this is how you will come to know that market is now changing its trend to one direction to the another direction. So let me talk about another example. As you can see, this is the very bad market. This is the volatile market situation. Here, as you can see, market previously moving like this from here to here. This is the higher low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, this is the higher high, this is the higher low, but there is no new higher high. Market without making a new higher high, market reverses from the same level. That is the confirmation that this market is going to change its trends. So from here you can see we are showing this downtrend. So this is how you will come to know that market is going to change its trend, right? So that's about today's video, and next video I will talk about some candlestick pattern which are continuation pattern, which are reversal pattern,